Ladies and gentlemen, to start the launch proceedings and explain to us about the DREAM project, a brainchild of BSNL, India's largest broadband network, and SIS, India's largest total solutions provider. May I call upon the stage the distinguished dignitaries, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause. Mr. M.D. Bhatia, Chief General Manager, BSNL, Maharashtra. Shri Naveen Bhasin, Chief Executive Officer, SIS. Shri V.K. Mahendra, Principal General Manager, BSNL. Shri A.V. Kulkarni, Principal General Manager, BSNL. Shri Rajiv Gupta, Senior Vice President, SIS. And Mr. Jain, General Manager, BSNL. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause once again. Now that all of us have assembled here for creating a history in Pune, we certainly need blessings of the Almighty.
It's a nice opportunity that we are in the process of launching a new service today. In fact, today all the operators, all the telecom operators, they are finding it difficult to raise the revenue. There are 8 consecutive quarters different operators are seeing the losses, and all the operators are facing the difficulty because of some other reasons. Some of the operators are adopting the cost-cutting measures, some are adopting other methods to increase the revenue. They are looking at the innovative ways to generate, to increase the revenue, and in this process, the joint effort of BSNL and SIS to raise the revenue by adding a new service is a step in the right direction. The service has the potential of providing a video service. It's a value addition over the broadband service where one can use the advantage as compared to any other service. It is meant for every segment of the society, but particularly for those offices where they can have a video conferencing. And the advantage of this service is that we get clarity of the picture which is not available in other technologies like 3G or the service which I mentioned here just now, Skype. Skype, you have been using it, many people have been using it for communication purpose. You might be observing that the freezing of frame take place because of the higher jitter. The quality of service always has been a question mark. The reason for this thing is because it is working on an independent IP platform, while this service is working on a TCP platform. So this is having a functionality of switching as well as IP network, but working on a TCP platform. So therefore the quality of service is to some extent much assured, and that's why this service is going to have a cutting edge and going to have advantage vis-a-vis other services which are available of equivalent class. No doubt 3G service was also there, it is also there, but 3G has its limitation because you are having a screen very small.
Hello? Good evening, कैसे हैं आप? No, it's very clear, and I extend our congratulations from BSNL Corporate Office for this new service and efforts put in by you and your team. I hope you will be able to generate good business from this new service.
We in Maharashtra will definitely take it ahead, and all of us will put our effort to see and make it a very good service for our customers.
Director CM is also with me in this room, and he also joins me in extending congratulations to you, your team, and your partners team who have made it possible to launch this service today.
Thank you, sir. With all your blessing, we will go ahead and further progress.
Chalo, thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Bye.